Since establishing 3D Technology Limited here in Galway in 2015, we've established ourselves as a leading provider in 3D printing technology, successfully servicing a range of sectors including manufacturing, medical technology and third level education. Our key to success is not only our relationships with the world's leading manufacturers of 3D printers, but also our ability to guide our clients throughout the 3D printing journey and providing the very best after-sales service and support in the country. 3D printing technology is allowing numerous Irish businesses unlock significant value in their manufacturing processes, including increased efficiencies, shorter lead times, innovation and overall cost reductions.
Over the last number of years, we were fortunate to liaise with our customers and understand the challenges they may have with their existing 3D printers. This was the catalyst to also develop our own custom-designed modular printers, allowing us to push the boundaries of 3D printing. The priority for our range of custom printers is print quality, speed and automation.
With the growth of 3D printing technology, especially in the healthcare sector, we've identified an opportunity to service that market with our brand MedScan 3D. By utilising our in-house expertise, we can print highly accurate patient-specific anatomical models and thus placing real anatomy in the hands of healthcare professionals and research engineers. We offer a comprehensive service including converting medical scans into STL files that can be adapted using CAD, 3D printed prototype models and customisable silicone test models.
One of the aspects of our business that sets us apart is our dedication to innovation. We bring the client from idea generation to concept development to CAD modelling to 3D printing prototypes. With this short lead time between idea generation to prototyping, we're able to work with a vast area of sectors including dental and orthopedics to help develop products on an expedited time span. With this in mind, we started our product line AmbiSafe. These products are manufactured in antimicrobial PLA, which contain nanocopper ions which resist viruses, bacteria and fungi. We place these in high-touch zones to stop the cross-contamination of these microbes.
3D technology is allowing huge advances in the medical sector. The focus of my research is the development of 3D printed bioabsorbable composite materials for orthopedic applications. As 3D printing technology continues to advance so quickly, its benefits are being recognised across a range of sectors globally.
So whatever your 3D printing requirements, contact us today to learn how your business can benefit from our comprehensive range of products and services.